What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you the GoPro HERO9 Black protective housing, waterproof up to 196 feet or 60 meters. And just gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing with this. It's a limited lifetime warranty. And on the back here it says here, protects your HERO9 Black during extreme activities and deep water diving down to 196 feet, 60 meters. And then it has some stuff in different languages, protective housing, skeleton backdoor, mounting buckle, and this thumb screw. And it's compatible with HERO9 Black only. And let's go ahead and start the unboxing here. The box is empty. Paperwork on your lifetime warranty. You have your mount and the thumb screw. Your protective housing user guide with in-depth pictures on your inserting camera, tethering the housing, navigating with the buttons, cleaning your housing, using skeleton backdoor, and then different languages. So it's your good paper shaped box. And you have your open door mount here, and you have your other hard shell mount. This one, of course, you can use there and make it more convenient there. So yeah, usually with the opening of this piece here, you just push that, and then it allows you to crank it back up once the clip is disengaged. Open here and insert your HERO9 Black into the unit, and it fits in just like that. I'm glad they have this piece working like the 8. You get to see your front display here, because the thing about this GoPro mount and housing was that they allow you to keep this front screen on, so you don't have to actually take off the screen like the GoPro 7, because the 7 you had to take this piece off and then you had to input, then it would fit in here properly. But this model, as well as the 8, allows you to just put the model in there without taking off the lens. Of course, the 8 didn't have a removable lens, and like the 9 does, so I'm glad they kept that feature still on board. Anyways, this was the GoPro HERO9 Black protective housing case. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.